How to create Hulu account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open any browser. Type in Hulu at the search bar and then select the official website. Go ahead and click on Sign up for Hulu only. If you want to get the Bundle Duo Basic or Trio Basic, you can select those as well. Once you click on Sign up, you'll see different plans. So you can see the plans here and select the ones based on your liking. You can see that the most popular is the one that's $7.99 a month, and it's Hulu with ads, and it lets you watch exclusive series, hit movies, originals, kids shows, and more. Once you've selected your plan, click on Select at the bottom. So you'll need to type in your email, create a password, write in your name, add your birth date, and then select your gender. So you'll use this email and password to log into your accounts for all your services. Once you do this, click on Continue at the bottom, and all you need to do is select a payment method, and you'll be able to create your Hulu account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.